So we've just harvested Sugar Baby and Lemon Drop Watermelon. And if you've ever wondered which one to grow and which one is more flavorful, you want to watch this video to the end. So I'm going to start by saying I'm in zone 3, 3B. And this year I decided to grow quite a bit of lemon or watermelon varieties. I started with starting seedlings inside, and most of them died from transplant shock. So I actually had to direct sow both of these melons. So now it is just about the end of August and we're able to harvest them, which isn't bad really because they've been out since middle of June. So June, July, August. So that's actually about 2 months-ish, which isn't bad for growing something from scratch outside. First thing first, the hardest one to grow is definitely the lemon drop. I had the hardest time. I think it started blooming first. It had a lot of bloom. It had the female blooms before all of the other varieties of melon that I grew in my garden this year. But it was extremely difficult because every time it would get like a reasonable size, it would just split open and break, and that would be that. So I think I lost maybe 6 good, melons to just splitting open and falling off. So definitely that is a negative. I planted 3 plants of the lemon drop and I ended up with just 1. Like, this is the only fruit that I got of all of the ones that I had. I still have bloom at this time in the season, but obviously it's way too late. Whatever comes up now isn't really going to turn into anything before the end of summer. So that is my story with the lemon drop. With the Sugar Baby, this is my second year growing the Sugar Baby. Last year when I grew Sugar Baby, I actually bought a plant from the store. I brought it home. I grew it to about this point, so I was able to harvest the dried seeds, and I kept them, and I still have a bunch from just the 1 melon that I was able to get last season, which is what I grew this plant from. Ease of growing, extremely easy. It's not finicky. The plant grew really well, and it gave me about 4. So I had just 1 plant, and that 1 plant gave me about 4 or 5 melons. I lost one of them. I can't remember what happened to that one. Harvested one, I think it beat too early, which it was bigger than this one. I still have 2 on the vine that are growing, and I'm going to be able to harvest at the end of the season. Now, this is easier, less finicky. Taste-wise, do you guys want to know my honest opinion? I think taste-wise, Sugar Baby for sure. Lemon Drop, I was expecting it to just have more, like a more robust, a more lemony flavor profile. It just looks like a lemon. It doesn't actually have a lot of lemon flavor, if any at all. I feel like you can maybe taste a bit of lemon when you put it in your mouth, but then it doesn't stay. It just, you taste it and it disappears. It's a lot juicier. I think it has a lot more water content to it. It's a lot more like, it has a bit more water. It's more watery, juicier, I would say. But in terms of like flavor, that natural good watermelon in the middle of summer flavor, I definitely would say that I prefer the Sugar Baby to the lemon drop. Ease of growing, Sugar Baby to lemon drop as well. But the lemon drop definitely looks very pretty.